getting something to hide or anything from me. You do have a wonderful appetite. Yeah, guys, it's over. No way! Ah, I guess the blood gets distant. It's useless. Nancy,
It starts with... But Arthur's so embarrassed about the way he looks that he runs off to the woods to...
yeah. But Arthur's so embarrassed the way he looks. Anakin runs out in the woods and hides.